call your Chinese friend, ask for a bid, and the bid could be like an insult. Ask an insulting bid, but it needs to be now. I mean, we need to close it before the end of this week. All right, guys, so what is the adventure today? We are under a lot of pressure, man. We are running short on time. We are working on a very important deal for my company. And we are running out of time. In 10 days, everyone will be off for the end of the year. Everyone will be on vacation. So that means that we have 7 days to basically close this deal. And it does not look good. So basically, we need to sell 1,000 metric tons of this commodity within 7 days. So then we could have access a huge offtake, not a huge offtake, but a good offtake for us for next year. And it's tough because the market is not there, man. Everyone is waiting for next year to buy, to see where the market is going to be. Nobody wants to make a bid. Nobody wants to purchase anything right now. So then, it's tough. So I guess this is what you are going to see me trying to close these following days. And to tell you why this is very important for us is like this mine, we've been in conversation with them for a while, and now the market crashed the last month. Few of their buyers just disappeared. So now there is like an offtakes to grab for next year. So they would be able to produce for us 2,000 metric tons per month. And if we are not too bad, I mean, we should make at least $5,000 US of profit on that 2,000 metric ton per month. So I mean, this is good money. I mean, it's good money. So we really want to take to have a shot with this new mine. But in order to do so, they say, look, man, you need to help us with this lot. We have 100 metric ton stuck in this warehouse. We just can't sell it. Nobody wants to buy it. But man, if you can come up with a bid, any price we would be okay to look at it. But even at any price, nobody wants to buy it because everyone is so afraid that the market will be dropping again. But before I give you like more information about this deal, what is it exactly and so on, I'm going to go buy a bunch of books because we have long flights coming in this week and I want to have something to read. And also I need to do something about this. Yes, I know the state of the market. This is why I'm calling you, man. Look, the buyer is almost desperate, man. So let's do this, man. Call your Chinese friend, ask for a bid, and the bid could be like an insult. Tell them that. Yeah, it could even be an insult, like an extremely insulting bid. But try to get at least some. I know it's not like I know all the problem here. But try to get some. We're only talking 1,000 metric tons, dude. It's nothing for them. So call them, ask an insulting bid, but it needs to be now. I mean, we need to close it before the end of this week. Can you do this? Yeah, an insult. I want an insult. Yeah, exactly. All right, okay. Talk to you soon. Et l'autre point, Adri, est-ce que tu peux la rappeler aujourd'hui et vraiment la pleurer pour avoir un bid pour ces 1000 tonnes? Il dit ils sont prêts à fixer et puis pour lui, si on arrive les vendre, on sera dans une méga bonne position pour choper l'offtake. Alright guys, so it doesn't look good. I can't get like any bid for the product, so let me give you a little bit more context about what is going on the market, what we're trying to do, and then I'm going to share with you what I think I can still do to basically make it work, but it doesn't look good. So yeah. All right, so that's basically it, man. All right, so this is basically what happened with the chrome market, the product that we are trying to trade. So for the whole year, let me do it like this. All right, so the whole year, basically the price was here, something like $300 500 USD. And now price is dropping sharp for like, it's been 6 weeks, but really 1 month. And now we are 250 USD, which is like, I don't know, I don't like doing public math, but I guess 40% decrease in 1 month, which is extremely worrying for everyone. Yes, so basically what now my plan is to do that. All right, so you see the drop is very steep in a product that usually it's quite flat, you know, there is no much volatility. What is probably going to happen is we are going to have like a huge, all right, bam, bump back, because it makes no sense that it drops so much. But right now we are end of the year, there's no buyers. All the Chinese are quite worried about the tariff from Trump, so they don't want to buy more. And also, it seems like China is going to have like a new stimulus for next year. So, I mean, I'm pretty sure that the market is going to bump back extremely hard. The thing is, I don't have the money. My company doesn't have the money to buy and speculate on the bump back. So, I mean, this is what I would do. So my only hope is to find someone which is willing to take that gamble. So I cannot really, I mean, I'm good, but I have limits, you know, I cannot really persuade someone to take massive risk because it's always a risk, man. There's no way to hedge this product, but I can maybe find someone who was already thinking about doing that, and I can maybe sell him the product that we want, because right now the market is, as you can see, a 40% drop in 6 weeks. This is unheard of, so everyone is so scared, and yeah, so it's very difficult to make any sale. There is no bid. We tried yesterday to find some prices, some real bid, but nothing was firm, you know. Everything was, yeah, maybe this, I think, I mean, this. So I don't think there's going to be any deal closed by the end of the year, but unless we do something completely different. So that's pretty much it. I will try to call a couple of guys that I know that they definitely have the capacity to take 1,000 metric ton and speculate on that. So see where they are, what they think, and yeah, try to make this happen. It's tough environment, man. But I'm sure that in a few months you'll be back here on the YouTube channel and the market will have bounced back, because it's too depressed, you know. There's no reason like for stopping shipment or stuff like that. So that's what we're trying to do. Yo, dude, yeah, I saw your message, but man, it's not. There's nothing to do, man. I'm sorry, nobody wants it, man. I don't know what to say. So go take that bid, man. Go ahead, take it, and you'll see, man. They will back off. It's not possible. This price is not possible. Yeah, or you are lying to me, man. But in that case, man. Hey, buddy, how are you doing, man? Yeah. Good. So I just wanted to see with you, I know you are not interested, but is there like any chance that you want to take like a little position for beginning of next year? I mean, you know as well as I that market will bounce back, man. No? Okay, but you don't seem convinced. I mean, we are talking 200k, man. That's the size of the position. I know. I know your company can take it, but you know as well as I. Okay. Manganese. Yeah, the manganese for India. Yeah. I have the specs, but man, it's from South America, so you know it takes like a day to get any answer. No, it's a small mine. Small mine. We're talking 10 containers like every 2 weeks if everything goes well. So yeah, I'll give you a quote. But which port? Chennai, Mundra? Yeah, and you probably have to prepare me now. Okay. All right. So I hear you, man. No about Chrome. I'll talk to you next year, and manganese. I'll come back with something. Yeah, sure. All right, ciao. Yeah, so nobody wants that. Nobody wants to be in this market right now. Yeah, the problem is like as I am right now in the development of our company, Chromatic Dragon. we start to. I mean, I speak with Chinese buyer on a weekly basis, but we don't offer like safe shipment to them because we don't really want to use our phone for that because you need money to finance the shipment. But I'm thinking it might be a bad idea because now no traders want to take it, and from what I had in a conversation with some end user, they might be able to take them. Yeah, I don't know. I really want to do something with it. Let's see. All right, it's 8:20 p.m. We've been pushing hard to find any bid, anyone willing to take this slot, but it's tough. All right, so little espresso before going to the gym. So we are Friday morning. We have 7 calls today. It doesn't look good for the sales of these materials, of the chrome. Nobody is willing to take the risk of speculation. I mean, nobody that I know. I'm sure people are doing it right now. Yeah, so it's tough. People stop answering our call or message. So I think we pushed a little bit too far, but anyway, sometimes you have got to push. But sometimes this is the trouble when you are a small commodity trading firm like us. It's like we have maybe, I would say, 6 clients that we could sell chrome to, and it's not enough in term when we are in a situation like this. If I would have known like 18, 20, I would have made a sale, but we only have 6 clients. But also 6 clients sometimes is a bit too much, because on a weekly basis, monthly basis, we can only serve 2 of them because we don't have the enough offtake, we don't have enough product. Our team is not big enough to handle more than that. So, and also in commodity trading, honestly, one day I spoke with a guy. I think he's one of the richest guy in Colombia. Extremely, maybe not the richest, but extremely successful entrepreneur, and he's the biggest coffee exporter of Colombia. He said, "Look, Damien, been building this company for my entire life, and right now I only have 3 clients, and the 3 clients are the 3 biggest coffee trader, and that's it." I think the guy had like Sucafina, Neumann, I think, and Olam. I guess that was his 3 clients, and he was like, "Man, I don't really need any other client. Why would I care with someone else? Like, I can handle all my sales in 5 minutes every day. So why would I need more clients?" And the guy is extremely successful. So he must have a point, When the market is like this, having a small book of clients is not ideal, man. So I don't know how we can balance that actually. To be honest, I need to think about it. Is there like a key that I've not seen or something like? But yeah. So this is the reality of a small commodity trading firm. When everything works as normal, you don't need a lot of clients. But when it's the fan and your clients are not buying, then you need a new one. All right. So the plan for today: going to the gym, finishing my espresso. A lot of calls today. It's Friday. A lot of people will be in vacation starting next Monday, so we have a lot of things to do, to see for the end of the year. And yeah, we'll keep you posted about what's up with this Chrome and what we're working on for the beginning of next year. All right, I think that's it. Yes, I know. So what do you think? They may have an interest. Seriously? They may have an interest. Yeah, of course. Yeah, man, of course I can send you. Let's do this. I will send you the complete details of the cargo, what we are in our house, the full analysis, and yeah, let me know what you think, man. All right. Oh, yeah, perfect. Then I'll send it to you right away, and I'll call you back. Right? Perfect. All right, guys. I think we have a hit. It's not dead, maybe not. All right, how can I help you, man? So Amag, you are one of our former students of the Shipping Commodity Academy. So my question to you is, to whom you think this academy is best suited for?
I think the course is, ideal for anyone who is in the industry already and want to increase their understanding, broaden their understanding of, the other aspects of the industry. Like if they're working in risk management, they want to learn more about operations. They can definitely take this course, but also definitely young graduates, because I think this is going to be a perfect starting point for anybody who's not in the industry. And then also, if you already have a course or something, and if you want to prepare for the interviews, I think this is the best way to prepare for the job interview, because you have all kinds of practical information available in there. Everything about shipping, documentation, letter of credit, risk management, and yeah, so much more. It's a world inside.
Hey man, yeah, thanks man. Alright guys, so we've done everything. We find someone that was willing to buy it. We sent the bid, a formal bid, and now I have a 12-hour flight, and hopefully when I land, we've closed it. I can't believe it, but I feel it. I feel that, yeah, something will happen. Et tu penses quoi? Ça va bien se passer toi ou pas? Alright guys, so I'm in Istanbul airport for a small quick layover, and I've got the answer. So basically they said that they reject the bid. It's too low. Come on man, it's always like this. Alright, so yeah, we'll try to push them to accept it, or see if they can revise. I mean, what is the ask really, now that they have a bid. And yeah, man, we push so much to get that bid. I think we are the only guy that has a real bid right now. But yeah, so I guess that's it for the vlog. You can see what is the life of international trade, man. Hustling, not to succeed. All right, guys. So I'll leave you to it, and yeah, ciao. Alright guys, so I'm in Switzerland. It's a few days from Turkey, and actually we closed the deal. Yeah, we closed the deal. So yeah, just one learning like from that, like guys, you can't give up. Never ever give up. If you have willing parties, you need to close it. Anyway, yeah, so you can't give up. Just that's pretty much it. So yeah, in terms of money, on those 1,000 metric tons, we are going to make like $2,000. So this is but hopefully we are going to make way more next year if we can secure the offtake, because man, this guy was not. Anyway, all right guys, so real this time. Ciao.